Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home, right? Shall we start today's session? My dear cuties, have you had your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast, dears? Yes. Shall we start today's session? Are you all excited, dears? Today we are going to see English, okay? Today we are going to see about English. Let's recall what we studied in the last English class. Transport. We see about transport. What is this? Bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, lorry, car, van, train, bus, aeroplane, ship, helicopter. Next, we see about insects in the last class, right? What are the insects we see? First one is ant. What is this? Ant. Next one, mosquito. Mosquito. Housefly. Housefly. Butterfly. Butterfly. Cockroach. What is this? Cockroach. Spider. Spider. Have you all seen these insects in your house? We all see these insects once in our life, right? Next, let's see about colors. Let's see about the colors. What are the colors given here? First one, yellow. What is this? Yellow. Green. Red. Orange. Black. Blue. Violet and brown. This color is a brown color. Next one. Today we are going to see about playthings. What is this? Playthings. Playthings. What are the playthings? This is the things we use to play in a day to day, okay? First thing is bat. What is this? It is a bat. It is a bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. This is a ball. What is this? It is a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. Doll. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. What is this? It is a doll. Joker doll, right? So it is a doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Next one. It is a motor car. Motor car. M-O-T M-O-R, motor. Car, C-A-R, car. Kutties, what is this? A small kutties like you sit in this motor car. What is this? It is a motor car. M-O-T-O-R, motor. Car, C-A-R, car. Motor car. Drum, D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. This is a drum with the sticks in it. Okay. So likewise we drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Next one, teddy bear. What is this? It is a teddy bear. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Teddy bear. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Teddy bear. Blocks. What is this? It is a blocks. A-B-C-D. It is a blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Next one. This is a gun. What is this? It is a gun. G-U-N, gun. What is this? It is a gun. G-U-N, gun. Xylophone. What is this? It is a xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Next one, it is a telephone. What is this? It is a telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. Next, it is a horse. What is this? It is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. What are the playthings? First one, we see about bat. What is this? It is a bat. Ball. Top. Top. Doll. Doll. Motor car. Motor car. Drum. Drum. Teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. Blocks. Blocks. Gun. It is a gun. Xylophone. Xylophone. Telephone. Telephone. Horse. Horse. Next, kutties, let's see about festivals. What are the festivals we celebrated? Let's see what are the festivals we all are celebrated. Okay. The first one is festivals, and the first one is Deepavali. Deepavali. It is celebrated by the Hindu religion. Okay. It is Deepavali festival. D-E-E-P-A-V-A-L-I. Deepavali. 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 Next one, Pongal. 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 Christmas. 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 Next one, Eid. ID. Eid. It is a festival celebrated by the Muslim people. Okay. Christmas is celebrated by the Christian ones. Pongal is used to celebrate sun. Okay. Our sun god. Pongal is used to celebrate our sun god. Next one, Holi. 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 First one, Deepavali. Pongal. Christmas. Eid. Holi. Okay, children. Next, let's see about parts of our body. Parts of our body. Have you know the parts of our body? Do you know the names of the parts in our body? Let's see what are the parts in our body. Okay. This is eye. What is this? It is a eye. 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 Next one. It is a ear. What is this? Ear. It is used to hear. Ear. 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 Next, this is a mouth. What is this? Mouth. 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 Inside the mouth we have teeth. What is this? Teeth. 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 Inside the mouth we have teeth. Okay. Next, this is a nose. What is this? It is a nose. It is used to smell. What is this? Nose. 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 This is a lip. What is this? Lip. 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 Next one, it is a hand. What is this? It is a hand. 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 This is a leg. What is this? It is a leg. 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 Let's see the parts of our body. The first one we have is head. What is this? Head. This is a head. 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 What is this? It is a head. Okay. Next one. These are the cheeks. What is this? Cheeks. CHEEK. 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 E-E-K, cheek. Next one, this is a neck. What is this? It is a neck. This place is called as neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. And this is a shoulder. What is this? This is a shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. What is this? It is a shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Next one, it is the chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. This is the stomach. What is this? Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Okay. Stomach. Next one, these are the fingers. In the hand we have fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. This is a knee. What is this? Knee. In the leg we have knee. K-N-E-E, knee. K is silent here, so we have to pronounce it as knee. This is a knee. Here is a foot. The weight of the body is carried by a foot. Okay. This is the foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. What are the parts of the body? First one, eye, ear, mouth, teeth, nose, lip, hand, leg. Here is a boy. Name the parts. First one is head. Head. Cheek. Neck. Shoulder. Chest. Stomach. Finger. Knee. Foot. These are the parts of our body. Let's see the seasons. Do you know what are seasons? There are 4 types of seasons: summer, winter, rainy season and autumn season. Okay. Let's see the season names today. Okay. What are the season names? First one, summer. This season is very hot. Okay. Summer season means it is a very hot. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. It is very hot season, so the children are drinking juice, eating ice creams, okay, to avoid overheat. Okay. Here is this one is a summer season. Next one, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. This is the winter season, Kulirgalam. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Here is a sweater, hot coffee, hot tea to protect themselves from over wind. Okay, it is a winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. And the third season is rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Season, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Season, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. What are the seasons? What are the seasons we studied? Summer season, winter season, rainy season. Rainy season. Okay, students, let's see the directions. Okay, directions. Do you know how many directions? There are 4 directions. Okay, there are 4 directions: north, east, south, west. Okay, you may remember it as east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. Okay, there are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, here is a sunset. The sun is going to set. The sun sets in the west. In the west direction, the sun sets. In the east direction, the sun rises. The sun rises in the east direction. Okay, in the east direction, the sun rises. The west direction, sun sets. Okay, east direction, here is the west direction. What are the 4 directions? East, west, north, south. East, E-A-S-T, east. West, W-E-S-T, west. North, N-O-R-T-H, north. South, S-O-U-T-H, south. There are 4 directions. What are they? East, west, north, south. There are 4 directions. Okay. The sun sets in the west direction. The sun rises in the east direction. Here are the shapes. Let's see these shapes in the next class. Okay, dears. Today your assignment is you have to send a video on mentioning the parts of your body. Okay, where is the eye, where is the ear, where is the mouth, teeth, nose, lip, hand, leg. Okay, you have to mention the parts of the body in a video. Okay, dears, these are all the parts of the body. You have to mention any 5. Okay, any 5 parts in a video form. Okay, take a video and send it in our WhatsApp group. Students, those who are not paying your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay, cuties, thank you. Have a nice day.